In the class we are going to discuss about the router stability criteria. I have take an example for clear confusion of route stability criteria. Determine the stability of the system with closed loop transfer function. It is a closed loop the transfer function. It is a characteristics equation. In this example, we have determined the stability of the system. The characteristics equation the characteristic equation of the system of the system given by s to the power 6 plus 2 s to the power 5 plus 2 s to the power 4 plus 3 s to the power cube plus 5s square plus 6s plus 1 is equal to 0. This is called the characteristic equation. The first step is generating the router array. We will generate the router array from the characteristics equation. Here the s to the power 6 their coefficient is 1, the 1 2 2 3 5 6. It is the coefficient of s and this is the highest power of s. This is the first we have determined the first row coefficient is 1 2 5 on. It is the first row coefficient. It is the first row coefficient. The first row coefficient after 1. It is the second row coefficient. From the first row and second row by selecting the alternating coefficient as so. Here I want to write this side the maximum power of s to the power 6, then s to the power 5, s to the power 4, s to the power 3, s to the power 2, s to the power 1, and lastly s to the power 0. This is the procedure I am doing the router array. The first procedure is find the first row coefficient and second row coefficient. I write the first row coefficient here. The first row coefficient the s to the power 6 their coefficient is 1, second 2, then 5, and last is 1. It is the first row coefficient and second row coefficient 2 3 6. Second row coefficient is 2 3 6. It is here I will put the 0. It is the blank position and this position I will put the 0. It is the s to the power 6, s to the power 5 is equal to here, and then I will find the value of s to the power 4. Then I will write here. The formula is I will multiply with 2 into 2. Here I will multiply 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3 divided by 2. This calculation I will do here the rough position. To multiply 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1 into divided by 2. Their value is 4 minus 3 by 2. Their value is 4 minus 3 1 by 2 means 0.5. This value of S4 is 0.5. So this 0.5 value I will write in this array. This is the value 0.5. Second, multiply with 2 into 5, 2 into 5 and 6 into 1. 2 into 5 minus 6 into 1 divided by 2. 2 into 5 minus 6 into 1 is divided by 2. Their value is 10 minus 6 by 2. Their value is 2. This value I'll put in the array. Value is 2. And third position and third step is multiply 2 into 1 into 0. There 2 into 1 minus 1 into 0 is divided by 2. 2 by 2, their result is 1. I'll put this 1 value in this array. It is the blank position. I'll write in the blank position is 0. So it is the value of s to the power 4, and the second is I will find the value of s to the power 3. It is the same procedure. I have multiplied with 0.5 into 3 minus 2 into 2 divided by 0.5. I will write here value 0.5 is multiplied with 3 minus 2 into 2 is divided by 0.5. Their value is 0.5 into 3 minus 2 into 2 divided by 0.5. Then after the calculation we get the value of the equation is minus 5. This value I'll write in the array. This value is minus 5. And second is I have multiplied with 0.5 into 6 minus 2 into 1 divided by 0.5. 0.5 is multiplied with 6 minus 2 into 1 is divided by 0.5. So the calculation we get the value of this equation is 2. This value I'll write in this portion. The value is 2. The same procedure I will apply for the value of S2. This is the multiply with minus 5 into 2 minus 0.5 into 2 is divided by minus 5. And here it is the blank, here then no value. I will write, or I can write this position is 0. Right, the value is minus 5 into 2 is minus 0.5 into 2 is 0 divided by minus 5. After the calculation, for the equation I will get the value is 11 by 5. This value is I'll put in the array system 11 by 5. Similarly, I will multiply with minus 5 into 1 minus 0.5 into 0 is divided by minus 5. Here minus 5 into 1 minus 0.5 into 0 is divided by minus 5. To the calculation, this value is plus 1. This value I will write in this array. This value is 1. This is the value of s to the power 2, and next is s to the power 1. The same procedure I will apply here it with 11 by 5 into 2 minus 5 into 1. Here the 11 by 5 into multiply with 2 the minus then bracket minus 5 into 1 is divided by 11 by 5. After the calculation, I get the value of this equation 47 by 11. 47 by 11. And this value I will write in the array system. The value is 47 by 11. 47 by 11. Here the no value I can write for understand for easiest multiply. You can write here the 0. So similarly, next step I will do 47 by 11 is multiply with 1 minus 11 by 5 minus 0. Here the 47 by 11 into 1 minus 11 by 5 into multiply with 0 is divided by 47 by 11. After the calculation, I will get the value of the equation is 1. The value is only 1 is I will write in the portion in this portion. 1 is the last value of router stability or router and array. After the 1 we do not get any value because we will multiply with 1 into 0 minus 47 into 0 is divided by 1. After this value is I will get this value 1. No, sorry, I will get this value 0. So the 1 is the last value or finish completed value of router array. For the given system to be stable, all the element in the first column of router array must be positive. When all the element is positive, then this time the system is stable. But in this problem, the negative sign appear in the first column. Here the negative sign is appear as the first column. Therefore, system is unstable. The number of sign change from s to the power 4 to s to the power 3. Here the sign is plus, here the sign is minus. The sign change from s to the power 4 to s to the power 3, and is a sign change. Then there s to the power 3, and s to the power 3 to s to the power 2, the another sign change, and thus the two root line in the right half plane, so the system is stable. Now sorry, this the system is unstable because here the two time the sign change from s to the power 4 to s to the power 3 and s to the power 3 to s to the power 2. Either for the sign change the system is unstable.